Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Lavinia and today's video is going to be the first of the 31 days of Inktober 2023. I will be following the list from a certified Zentangle teacher who posted for each day what the tangles are. So that is what I am going to be following each day. However, I will be doing also other drawings in addition to these tangles. If you don't know what Inktober is, there's several, I guess, I don't know if it's a company or other artists that post, for example, words or themes, and from that you create your drawing. So I think I saw on one of the lists, for example, one was dream, one was spider. So on that day, you just create a drawing using that word. I am not going to be following that one. I am going to be following the tangles, but I will be picking out maybe my own word and doing a drawing based on that too. I will be using, besides ink, watercolors and maybe pastels and maybe even gouache and my acrylic marker. So stay tuned for that. I hope you follow along. And so what I have here is a small little notebook. This was a set of 3 or 4 that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I thought I would put my drawings for the tangles in here. And I have also a Uniball pen, and this is water resistant because I think I'm going to try and see if I'm going to use my metallic watercolors maybe as a background for that. So I have that here. I also have in this little pouch, I'm going to be using a tortillon, and this is what I use to blend the graphite pencil. This is a 4B, but you can use any pencil that you have. I also have General's white charcoal, and that's for highlights. I'm not going to be using these micron pens. Again, I'm going to use the Uniball pen. I also have here my Jelly Roll pens, so my white Jelly Roll pens. So I may use these as well, but I'm going to set these aside for now. Now, if you don't know what tangles are, here's a book, for example, that I checked out at the library yesterday. Normally it's in, I think Zentangle sells like these little tiles where they're square and you go ahead and you make your string and you do your drawing in there. But you can also, doesn't have to be squares. As you can see here, you can have figures, different types of figures, and make your tangles in there as well. So that's why I'm using this one. It's not a square, but I will go ahead and I think what I'm going to do is put the name of the tangle up here and then the date here. So I'm just going to, just draw, and I'm not really measuring out anything, just like that. And so today's tangle is called Beelight, and I'll show you how that's done. So I hope you follow along. These are nice to do. It's just relaxing. Let's say you're at a bus stop or waiting for a doctor or a dentist, at an appointment or at a restaurant. Just something that you can do. So with Beelight, you have a grid, and a grid is just a set of perpendicular lines. Again, I'm not using a ruler or anything. I'm just, putting in that grid. Now you can put in as many as you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and do these 4 here. And then you're just going to make a slight curve there and then just fill it in. Now this tangle was actually created by Zentangle Inc. So just filling that in. And I'll show you what the basic Beelight is. So you have that filled in, and then you're just going to, I guess what they call it is an aura or a halo, where you're just following that curve. And that's the basic Beelight. Now you can also, let's make another one here. Fill that in. You can also, embellish it, make it your own, put your own spin on it. So we'll get this filled in here. Again, you just do what you want. It doesn't, you don't have to copy anybody else or, try to make it as perfect. The whole point of this is just to relax, get into that Zen moment, listen to some music. So another way that I've seen this done is, can you just follow that curve, leave a space, and continue on. Follow that curve, leave a space, and continue on. So it's almost like you have that little bit of a highlight there. Follow that curve, leave a space, continue on. And here, follow. So like that. And the way they have it is that, again, it just follows here, but you could put all four corners facing each other. You can have a design so it doesn't have to be in a square like this. As you saw from the book, you can make a leaf, a circle, a feather, and then just fill it in with the design. So for this one here, I'll go ahead and I'll embellish this one. So again, just following that curve. And maybe I will put some triangles in here. Just like that. And then here, again, just filling this in. And maybe I'll put a different embellishment. So again, you can make the lines as thick or as thin as you want. And maybe I will put these half circles. And maybe I'll put a little dot. Just like that. So this one again is called Beelight. And today I'll just put here October 2023. So I don't know, let's take out our, maybe I'll try one of them with the metallic watercolor. So let's try this blue. one, and then let that dry. And then maybe for this one, and again, you don't have to use anything. You can make it as plain as you want. For example, in another video, while that dries, I had shown you this page that I was creating. If I can make it so you can see it there a little bit better. But haven't finished it, and I know Kelly is making a page where she's doing her tiles, and then she's creating a page where she's putting each of the 31 tangles on a page. So I might do that and continue it with this. So for example, if by chance this tangle is part of the 31 days, then I won't do it on this page since it's already on here. But if it's not, whatever it isn't, I do want to fill up the rest of this page. And as you can see, I haven't used any graphite or anything else. This is just ink. So, but let's try here with this. This is a 4B graphite pencil. Again, you can use anything that you like. And I'm just going to follow these lines here. Let me see if I can come a little bit closer. So I'm just following here at the line. And then with my tortillon, you can use a Q-tip or an earbud. This is the side that I had for the graphite, so I'm going to go ahead and just blend that a little bit in. And it just gives a little bit of a dimension. These tangles are fun to do. Again, you can make up your own, as you saw with that drawing there that I had going on. Summer tangles that I followed along with videos, and again, then just gave it my own little spin. All right, and then maybe with the, let's go ahead and put just a tad bit more as if it's coming across here. And then maybe with the white charcoal. Sometimes this is seen better on the gray paper, the gray tone paper. But let's see with the white Jelly Roll pen. All right, and then here too, maybe we'll go ahead and put some graphite on here. You know what would be fun to do also is, I think I might fill in this area. So as you're working on these, you know, you might get ideas to do other embellishments on it. Okay. All right, and then take my tortillon and I'm just going to push that graphite. Again, you don't have to do the graphite if you don't want to. Okay. And here you can also see the shimmer of the metallic paint. And there's that one. And then maybe for this final one here, the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and put a line of graphite. Again, you can embellish these further with circles, with dots. You can make each tile the same, you know, each square the same. Just want to get this a little bit more gray so that I can then show you with the white charcoal. I might use the Jelly Roll pens on these. So it might stand out better. So you can see that. So that is Beelight, and again, this is October 1st, 2023, and the Inktober. So I hope you also search hashtag Inktober or Inktober 2020, hashtag Inktober 2023, as well as the two ladies that I mentioned in the description box, so that you can take a look at what everyone else is doing. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notification of when I upload my other videos. And I will see you soon. If you have any questions or if you have done Inktober before, let me know in the comments section. Take care, everyone. Bye.